If we think, you see, I have one devotee, he comes to our temple in Calcutta, and he tells me, Amar airport janmo, Ami America janma korbo, baswarga, ashirvad korun. He said, please bless me that in my next birth I can be born either in America or Swarga. This is his idea, either in heaven or in America. He equates the two. So I, of course, discouraged him, said, you should actually desire to go to Krishna Lok. Because you see, there's no birth, no death. There is your actual real life. But he said, no, I read a lot of newspapers. I can understand that between the two places, either America or Swarga, these places are the best. So of course, you know firsthand that what is the actual situation. So Srila Prabhupada, he repeatedly said that we should see things just like India is technologically not so advanced as, say, America, the West. But the West, they're basically spiritually blind. They have no spiritual vision. So in one case you have a lame man, another case you have a blind man. Angopanga darshan. Matlab, ando pango ke li jayega. The lame man, he'll get on top of the blind man and say, you go here, you go. He has good eyes. That actually this Western civilization, they have got some capital, but they have no vision where they're going. They're using simply to invent newer and newer machines, to do more and more useless things, or to build bigger bombs. These are the two main uses. I've been living now in India 10 years. This is my second time which I've left India in 10 years. So still I'm having culture shock. I'm having culture shock coming here. All the big cars and all the machines. They took me to the big shopping mall. And so many machines. For what? They had machines to brush the teeth, machine to cut, just every kind of machine imaginable. But you look at the people, and they are unhappy. When the 5 o'clock bell rang, everybody was running to get out. All the employees, because they want to go home. They just recently took a Gallup poll to all the Americans. Do you like your job? Do you like the work you do? Are you satisfied? 80% said, no, I don't. I can't stand the work I do. I'm only doing it for the money. And 20% of that 10%, they wouldn't say. And 10%, either they were liars or they're crazy. So, this is the situation. People are doing, but they're not satisfied. Why? Because there's not Krishna in their life. You see. I go in the villages, in UP, in Bihar, in Tamil Nadu, in Orissa, in Bengal, Assam. And there you ask the people, they're living a simple life. They don't have anything. They just have a grass hut, they have a cow, a little land. And immediately you see, but you ask them, are you happy? You want something? You say, no, I'm all right. But then their son, he goes to college. And is he happy? No, I need a watch, I need a terracotta shirt, I need this, I need that. He's completely in anxiety. This is the difficulty. They're brainwashed. So actually it doesn't make any difference whether you have watch or don't have watch. Whether you have Krishna, that's what counts. Actually, look at Arjuna. He was the ruler of the world. In Hastinapur, there was one government for the whole world, and he was the king and the king's brother, Yudhishthira Arjuna. They had so much opulence, Aishwarya Purna, but they didn't have any difficulty because they had Krishna. So our philosophy is not that one has to give up. Whatever you have, all right. You've got that due to your good works. Now use that in Krishna's service and be happy. This is the secret.